these days, yeah, era, even rappers are converting into singing because what discovered the melodies take songs far. Like a lot of audience and all that. And you'll be when you're like if they play songs that you are on melodies and fire, not a show. But we don't see you in a lot of features now. It'll be now afro there. Do you turn them down another one and pedebe you be what's going on that side?
Okay, I mean it's kind of it takes a lot to get me involved in your affairs. You know, like apart from showbiz, them I mean PAP every time. Showbiz definitely we are there. It's inevitable. Say you don't have to appear. You know,
Yeah.
but in actual fact, I'm a very reserved guy. I'm always indoors. All my songs I wrote them in the room. You know, except Angelina, and I wrote it on a flight. You know, but like most of my songs, I'm always in indoors. So what I realized is okay, most of the times, when artists share or events are, that's when they talk and then they do collaborations. And most of the times with events, maybe they need there say and you invite me. Some aunties there a friend invite me. I don't I don't know why I should have a business there
Yeah.
on the channel.
Yeah.
So I'm around. The only thing is maybe I need to be more seen at events that I'm not invited to.
Yeah. Because
You know,
honestly,
and then,
sometimes me see this new crop of sounds in it, but I can just close my eyes and I see like damn you me quite master wodopa.
yeah,
You cannot bear
yeah, yeah,
shoe. Now bear shoe. So what about the new generation, young guys now who start to make waves? Obi or whole feel there
the
maybe
new generation.
in available to help them or put them on stuffs like that.
Right. So recently I was with Amerado,
Okay.
and Amerado, I've even loved his stuff distant. Like I really admire a lot of like new cats like Ushe Black Sharifa, yo, guy is top, you know. And these are people that definitely I know say along the way, when I meet them, the only thing is ABA, maybe schedule no, anyone was schedule no, on a different path,
Yeah.
so we don't, but I know that when I meet them and we talk, definitely it's gonna come out with some more. So yeah, I'm also working on that, because I really 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 admire the new generation of musicians that are coming out. Wow. And like maybe this guy episode
Yeah.
the
Episode.
episode now performances are on stage, this guy is dope, so it's like I with the journey of Ghanaian music. Since African music has actually, chance now, but like it's open because first no crown now by America won't take. I mean, won't hear any African song.
Yeah.
It's all about their song. But
Yeah.
now, no, imagine it's not even just Nigeria. We got like Black Sheriffs, no, they are what one in the like on FM stations. It's not even like just online FM stations. So Ghanaian music and like Afrobeat has come a long way. And for me, this is the time cry now. As I say, yeah, more collaborations. So yeah, I'm really, really working on more collaborations. And even not just Ghanaian artists. There's a song titled here, "Don't Go."
Yeah.
I
Don't go.
featured a Sierra Leone artist, and this guy is big in Sierra Leone, making it on his own there. So the way Africa, say, on the map, when it comes to music, this is the time we need to spread the good news. And again, I always tell people, crap, we say, Afrobeat started as hip life.
Yeah. But honestly, I can't Nigeria for no one baba but zan.
Oh no, Afrobeat started as hip life. I'm saying that based on my experience. I've been in this showbiz game for, I would say, like 20 years and over.
Hmm.
And yes, as near to two quine, right with prior, no, it to two quine called most African countries, and Nigeria was the only country now. Yep, what to say, what you to say, yang.
Yeah.
There was a time and na Nigeria for what hip life, you know. So, and Osha Afrobeat, yeah, because Nigerians were pushing, and the background started from hip life. So yeah, me kind of some in kind of bonnet. Afrobeat actually started as hip life, So, but it's all the same music. Yen background here, high life. Yeah, yen background here, Afro.
Yeah.
So it's all the same music, and I'm really really proud. Say, I'm really proud how far Ghanaian music and African music has gotten to now. So say recently Grammys are what
Yeah.
as you saw our man Rocky Dawuni,
Yeah. He's there. He was there.
you know. Yeah,
Yeah.
Rocky Dawuni was there as always representing Ghana. Just that we need more. We need more people from Ghana, representing us, in the Grammys. And I know, say, yeah, we are doing a good job.